For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is Pressure Joe SPX3000 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5-Amp electric pressure washer. It can easily remove road tar, tree sap and insect splats from cars, grease deposits from concrete, heavy mildew, oil and rust stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn yard and garden gunk and grime. It is packed with a powerful 1,800 watt and 14.5 amp motor, and can generate up to 2,030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. You can customize the adjustable spray to suit your cleaning task with Pressure Joe's 5 Quick Connect spray tips. It comes equipped with an extra-large 40.6 fluid ounce onboard detergent tank, which is perfect for blasting dirt and debris. With its 34-inch extension, spray front and rear wheels provide maximum maneuverability and easy access to tight spaces. Overall, highly recommended. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.